Today's video is going to be a little different, because instead of testing a random strategy or running a challenge, I'll be showing you a trading tool that I think a lot of you will find really useful. If you've been following this channel, you already know I talk a lot about smart money concepts, things like order blocks, fair value gaps, and liquidity grabs. But the truth is, marking these zones manually can take a lot of time, and sometimes you're not even sure if you marked it correctly. Well, that's where this tool comes in. Today, I'll be breaking down the Smart Money Toolkit by SMRT Algo, an advanced TradingView indicator designed to help you analyze the market with precision, spot valid order blocks, fair value gaps, and even track structure shifts in real time. So in this video, I'll walk you through what this indicator is all about, the key features that make it stand out, and then I'll show you a simple but powerful trading strategy you can use with it. If that sounds interesting, make sure to drop a like down below, and let's get straight into it. So, what exactly does this Smart Money Toolkit do? Well, think of it as your all-in-one smart money concepts assistant. Instead of you spending 20 to 30 minutes drawing lines, marking zones, and checking every little detail, this indicator literally does it for you in real time. First off, it automatically detects break of structure and change of character. If you're into SMC, you already know how important these are. They tell you when the market is continuing or when it's flipping direction. No more guessing, it just marks it on your chart. Next, we've got order blocks with volumetric data. And this one is powerful. Not only does it show you where buyers or sellers stepped in aggressively, but it also shows you how strong they were with real-time volume info. So you know whether that zone is worth trusting or not. Then there are fair value gaps, highlighted live as they form. Green for bullish, red for bearish. Instead of scrolling back through the chart, trying to spot imbalances, this tool lights them up instantly, so you never miss one. It even calls out liquidity sweeps. Those little stop hunts where price spikes just to take out traders before reversing. With this, you can actually spot where liquidity is being grabbed and prepare yourself for the real move. And on top of that, the indicator shows you premium and discount zones. In simple terms, it tells you when price is too expensive or too cheap relative to the recent range. Red means premium, blue means discount. That way, you're not buying at the top or selling at the bottom. So instead of spending half an hour marking everything manually, this toolkit does the heavy lifting and lets you focus on the actual setups. Basically, it gives you a clear picture of the market, fast, accurate, and all in one place. Now, just to be clear, this is a premium, invite-only indicator on TradingView. That means if you want to use it, you'll need a TradingView account and access from SMRT Algo. I've dropped the link in the description if you want to check it out. And right now there's actually a Labor Day sale, up to 25% off all plans. So if you've been planning to try it, this might be the best time. Alright, let me show you how I would actually use this indicator in a real setup. Before I even think about taking a trade, the very first thing I'll do is check the multi-timeframe trend table at the top of the chart. If most of the timeframes, like H1, H4, and daily, are pointing bullish, that's my green light to look for buys only. Once I've got that bias, the next thing I'm watching for is structure. The toolkit automatically marks breaks of structure and change of character. And that's key, because for any order block to be valid, we first need to see either a breaks of structure or a change of character. After that, I want to see imbalance, or what's called a fair value gap, appear right after the break of structure or change of character. That tells me price moved too fast and left inefficiency behind. Now, if I've got all that in place, I'll mark out the fresh order block. That's my area of interest where I want to take the trade. From there, it's just a matter of waiting for price to tap into the order block, and I'll only enter once I see a proper candlestick rejection, something like a long wick rejection or a bullish engulfing. My stop goes just below the block, and target is usually set at a 1 to 2 risk to reward or the next liquidity level. Same concept works the other way round for sells. Just flip everything. And honestly, if you've seen my previous videos on smart money concepts, the idea is the same. The only difference now is this indicator does all the heavy lifting. It marks break of structure, change of character, order blocks, and even the imbalances automatically. So instead of spending time drawing everything out manually, you get the zones instantly and can focus just on execution. So, that's the Smart Money Toolkit by SMRT Algo. Honestly, I think it's one of the most complete SMC indicators I've seen so far. It saves time, removes the guesswork, and makes analyzing charts way more efficient. Again, this is a premium TradingView indicator, so if you want to try it out, check the link in the description. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to drop a like and let me know in the comments whether you want me to do a full backtest challenge using this indicator, and who knows, maybe we'll run it head-to-head against another SMC tool. Thanks for watching, and as always, trade smart, stay safe,